Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we make the latest tech easy to understand. If you're curious about the newest gadgets shaping the future, then you're in the right place. The Xiaomi Smart AI Glasses are one of the most exciting pieces of wearable technology to launch recently. For years, tech companies have tried to make smart glasses mainstream, but none of them really stuck. Either they were too bulky, too limited, or too expensive. Xiaomi has now stepped in with its vision for the future of smart wearables, and what they've created is something that blends practicality, AI integration, and sleek design. But the big question is, are these glasses just another futuristic experiment, or are they a device you could actually use every day? Let's start with the specifications. The Xiaomi Smart AI Glasses come equipped with a micro-OLED display built into one lens, powered by Xiaomi's own AI assistant. The glasses use Qualcomm's Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1 platform, which is designed specifically for lightweight AR wearables. They feature a 12-megapixel camera, dual microphone array, and bone conduction speakers for audio. Connectivity is handled through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.3, and you can pair the glasses directly with your Xiaomi smartphone or any other supported Android device. The glasses are lightweight at around 50 grams, making them comfortable for extended wear, and they come with a charging case that works much like wireless earbuds. When it comes to design, Xiaomi has made a conscious effort to make these glasses look like regular eyewear rather than a futuristic headset. The frames are thin, minimalistic, and stylish, available in different colors and finishes to match personal preferences. The weight distribution is well balanced, so the glasses don't feel front-heavy even with the built-in display and camera. They don't scream tech gadget when you wear them in public, which is a big plus compared to older smart glasses attempts. The build quality feels sturdy, and Xiaomi has managed to keep the glasses slim without sacrificing important hardware. The display technology is where things get interesting. The micro-OLED panel embedded in the right lens projects a sharp and bright image that's visible even outdoors in daylight. It's not meant to replace a phone screen but to give you quick, glanceable information. Notifications, directions, translations, and AI responses appear seamlessly in your field of view without being distracting. You can adjust brightness and transparency so the text or graphics blend naturally into your environment. It feels futuristic but also surprisingly natural once you get used to it. Performance is solid for a device this small. The Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1 chip is optimized for low power consumption while still handling AI tasks smoothly. The glasses respond quickly to voice commands, and the camera can instantly capture photos or translate text in real time. Xiaomi's AI integration is at the core of this product. You can ask questions, get reminders, or even use the camera to identify objects or landmarks. The processing happens both on-device and through cloud support, depending on the task, so responses are usually fast and accurate. Software and features are where Xiaomi has tried to give these glasses real value. One of the standout features is live translation. You can look at a sign, a menu, or even have a conversation with someone speaking another language, and the glasses display translated text right in your vision. For travelers, this could be a game changer. Another useful feature is navigation. Instead of staring at your phone for directions, arrows and instructions appear in front of you, guiding you step by step. The camera also supports quick sharing, so you can snap a picture and send it directly to your phone or social apps with simple gestures or voice commands. The AI assistant is tightly integrated with the glasses. It can summarize messages, read out notifications, and even generate quick replies. For professionals, features like real-time transcription during meetings or hands-free reminders can be very useful. The glasses also connect seamlessly with Xiaomi's ecosystem, so you can control smart home devices, check security cameras, or adjust lights without pulling out your phone. It's all about making daily tasks more convenient while keeping your hands free. Battery life is always a concern with smart wearables, but Xiaomi has done a decent job. On a single charge, the glasses can last about 2 to 3 hours of active use, depending on how much you use the display and camera. With lighter use, such as notifications and occasional commands, they can last most of the day. The included charging case extends the life significantly, giving you multiple recharges throughout the day. It's not perfect, and heavy users will find themselves charging often, but it's a step forward compared to earlier attempts at smart glasses. Connectivity is smooth and stable. With Bluetooth 5.3, pairing is fast, and the Wi-Fi connection ensures cloud-based AI tasks work without lag. The glasses also support multi-point connectivity, meaning you can switch between devices without constantly repairing. The companion app offers customization options, letting you adjust notifications, display settings, and AI preferences. Xiaomi has also promised regular updates, so new features will be added over time. Now, let's talk about price and value. The Xiaomi Smart AI glasses are priced around $899, depending on the region. That places them in the same ballpark as high-end smartphones or other advanced wearables. For some people, that may feel steep, especially since this is still an emerging product category. But when you consider the features live translation, real-time AI assistance, navigation, smart home control, and a built-in camera, the value becomes clearer. For tech enthusiasts, frequent travelers, or people who love being early adopters, these glasses could be worth the investment. For casual users, the price might feel high for something that still feels experimental. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the design is sleek and stylish, making them wearable in everyday situations. The micro-OLED display is sharp, bright, and genuinely useful for glanceable information. The AI features, especially translation and navigation, are practical and work well. Integration with Xiaomi's ecosystem adds even more convenience. And the charging case is a clever solution that extends battery life. On the downside, the battery life on its own isn't strong enough for heavy all-day use, so you'll need to rely on the case often. The price may be too high for some, especially since this is still a new product category that's evolving quickly. While the camera is good for quick shots and translation, it's not meant to replace your phone's camera. And while the design is sleek, wearing smart glasses in public still draws attention in some situations, which not everyone may feel comfortable with. So, what's the final verdict? The Xiaomi Smart AI glasses represent a bold step forward in wearable technology. They're not just a novelty, they offer real, practical features that can make daily life easier and more connected. For travelers, professionals, and tech enthusiasts, these glasses open up exciting new possibilities. They're not perfect, and there's room for improvement in battery life and pricing, but they're one of the most complete and polished attempts at smart glasses so far. If you've been waiting for a device that finally makes smart glasses useful, the Xiaomi Smart AI glasses are worth serious consideration. That's our review of the Xiaomi Smart AI glasses. At Tap Tech, we aim to bring you honest insights so you can decide whether these new gadgets are worth your attention and money. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where technology meets simplicity. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates, and we'll see you in the next one.